In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data on ClickUp 2026. We'll walk through exporting a space from your ClickUp account so you can back up your information or move it somewhere else. Start from your ClickUp overview or anywhere in your workspace. Look to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile avatar. Click that avatar to open the user menu. Then move your cursor to Settings and select it to open the full settings page. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Imports/Exports. Go ahead and click it. This page can take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data, so give it a few seconds. If you land on the Import view by default, switch to the Export option so we're working on the right tab. Next, you'll see a control to choose what you want to export. Click Select Location and pick the space you want to export from the list. If you manage multiple spaces, take a second to confirm you're choosing the correct one. Depending on your role and workspace rules, you may need the appropriate permissions to export, so make sure you have access to that space before continuing. When you're ready, click Start Export. ClickUp will begin preparing your data. The preparation time varies based on how large your space is and how many tasks and files it contains, so don't worry if it takes a little while. Keep the page open while it processes. You'll see status updates as it works in the background. Once the export is finished, you'll see a prompt letting you know it's ready. Click Download Export, or click the Your Export is Ready button if that's what appears. Your browser will save the export file to your default Downloads folder. It's typically a compressed archive you can store for safekeeping or move to another tool as needed. After the file downloads, it's a good idea to verify it's complete by opening the archive and checking the contents. If your space is very large and the export takes longer than expected, try waiting a bit and refreshing the page. Also, consider organizing your exports by date so it's easy to find the latest backup later. If you're working with a team, let others know you've created an export so everyone stays in sync. And that's it. Your space is now downloaded and saved locally. If this tutorial helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.